bouncing around there. You might keep an eye out for a nearby crater.
I still feel for the accident.
It's gonna get us. It's gonna get us all.
Now, you can see the problems they had on D-Day because the men started wading ashore and found deeper water ahead.
Do for NASA?
Calculate your launch and landing, sir.
Engineering. And I'm proud as the devil to be working with you.
How could you possibly be ogling these white men?
It's equal rights. I have the right to see fine in Africa.
In what will go down in history as the greatest demonstration for freedom in the history of our nation.
Don't let me down. Don't let me down.
Introduce an amendment 5 minutes before a hearing and a markup. This is serious. This should not be a partisan issue. This is about our constituents and all of our lives. Iowa, Nebraska, broad swaths of the Midwest are drowning right now, underwater.